crown of victory, the perfect end. But breaking through perfection is another way to honor. Because there are always those who refuse to wait for the world to answer, never accept so-called perfection. They dare to imagine, exploring within, chasing the ultimate. They dare to be different, reaching beyond, breaking the mold, turning the impossible into the possible. Rising above past honors, daring to reimagine the world. Breaking the cycle of mediocrity, forging an extraordinary path. Honor, dare to be.